So we've been using the Husqvarna Automower for about 2 weeks now. Lots of changes and observations which we'll cover in some of the videos that follow, but today I wanted just to make a comparison with the equipment we needed to maintain the garden before and how that compares with the Automower. So I've got all three out there. Let me just come a bit closer. So this is our ride-on mower. You sit on it to cut the grass, and using this it took us about an hour and 15 minutes to cut the grass, and it could get in most, not all, but most of the areas where we had grass in the garden. So this is the smaller petrol mower which we use for the front garden, and then in this main garden at the back we use this every 2 or 3 weeks to cover the edges and the areas around the trees, the bit that the larger mower couldn't get to. And then lastly, of course, the auto mower. I'm standing the same distance away so you can get a comparison of the size. So now I'm going to start each one up and give you a comparison of the noise levels of each one when they're running.